So you could be short on the PSAR flip. And you made about half an hour when it exited. Notice that the weakness induced. There was enough persistent weakness in the form of that slow slide that the very favorable MACD, and we're using Trader X's and Bill's numbers on this, came all the way through the river, bottomed out, and started to hook back up, which was enough reason to get out. Whoops, to get out there. Now what we have is a COTA 2. This is what Trader X and Bill are looking at.
Yep.
Just a minute. So you have this crossing the zero line into the summer. PSAR flip. Standard risk. COTA 2 on the MACD twice. When this rolls out, so all of this move here, as it's gathering steam, all of that is north and west of the river. So it's in the growth floodplain. All of that is good. Here's where it re-enters the river. It tells you that the abnormal move is over. It doesn't mean it's going to fail. Like it took 10 days to fail. But the period of abnormal growth, the optimal growing season, is over. Well, what that meant was on about a $20 risk, that first position earned 1, 2, 3.5. The second position earned 1, 2, and the third position earned 1.5. So total up about 7R in Microsoft, when it was not clear from the daily chart that was an easy long-term play. So this is a case where when we get those seasonal changes at the bottom of the river, and a failure to fail further, and a reversal, exit, confirmed entry, and then reinforcing success, and then respecting the changing of the season.